all have some skills or something that we do better than anyone around us, and that's your ticket to financial freedom. And I know some of you might say, but Lindy, I do not know anything. I do not have any other skills. Well, Jeff Bezos and Steve Jobs did say that you do not need to possess a skill in order to run a successful business, because there are people who are good at programming, there are people who are graphic design, there are people who can create a website. All you have to do, you just have to use their skills and then make money online. Now imagine buying a book or buying videos or buying any other product that you can buy on Fiverr. Take the same product and then sell it to different people and make money from that. This is a win-win. You buy once and then you sell over and over again, and that's how we create financial freedom. Welcome to my channel. My name is LindyShirries. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome to the family, and please guys, do not forget to click the subscribe button, like, and also share this video to many people. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to become a freelancer, how to register, how to set up your account, how to share your gig to social media, how to make money with a product or skill that you do not even have, for those of you who do not have any skill. But for those of you who are gifted in something, whether it's graphic design, web development, writing a book, editing, you guys can also create or share a gig on Fiverr. So without wasting time, let's go to my laptop so I can show you how to do these things.
So you first go to fiverr.com and then you look for Fiverr sign up. And then once you are there, you just click the link and then it will take you to this site. And then you can sign in using Gmail, or you can use Apple. So that is if you do have an account. But if you don't, you have to create it. So I'm using Apple, but my main account, the one that I'm using to sell, it is on Gmail. So this is just me logging on using my iPhone. And then for you guys, probably for those who do not have iPhone, you will have to enter your email address. And then you select the username. So it doesn't like spaces. You'll have to remove the space, and then now you will create your username. So remember, your username can be anything that you want to be associated with. Buying freelance services or selling freelance services. So if you are going to be a buyer, you just click buying. But for us, we want to sell something. So I'm just getting started freelancing online, and then I'll just select both online and offline. And then the next thing is going to ask you to create your seller's profile. So you just click there. And then this is where you will see more information on that. So your profile, you click the page, top right, that icon, and then you're just going to change the picture, the display name, and then you will continue. Go get where you saved your picture. So my photo is saved here. And then I'll just upload it to change their picture. So accounts with pictures, they tend to do well more than accounts that doesn't have pictures. And then the next thing, you go to ChatGPT, because you do need information for the bio, the description. So for me, I just said, give me one paragraph selling book to make money online. And then I just said 19 income streams by Angie Long. And then it gave me a long description. So I just typed, make it 5 lines. So you can actually speak to ChatGPT by just typing what you want. If it's long, reduce it. If it's short, add more. If you want to add keys like your wealth, you can just type that, and then ChatGPT, the AI, will generate the exact paragraph that you want. So you just check, and guys, it's important because ChatGPT sometimes doesn't generate what you want. So just confirm and verify. So this we're going to use later, but then just know that we do have a description for now. You go back to Fiverr, and then it says give a description. So this description is just telling them about your hobbies, additional information that might make your freelancing sell more. So you just type. So for me, I just said I am a digital marketer on a mission to help people make money, and then add the language, add the skills, and add the education if you want. And then for me, I added YouTube, I added more like IT. And then the next thing, you just click become a seller. So when you click here, guys, read this information. Do not be lazy, because this is going to sit there. Learn what makes a successful profile. They know, guys. So you can watch the video as well. So I click continue. What makes a successful profile? Read, take your time in creating, put a face to the name. I already said that. And then every information needs to be credible, guys. And now let's talk about things that you want to clear off, and then misleading information, they do not want that. And then also you have to communicate with people, so you click continue, and then you add your name, your surname, your display name, and all that information that you want to add there. And then next thing, select your language, and I've selected English. And if you are in another country, you can also add it. Do remember, guys, you have to specify how good your English is, and then you can specify that, and then click continue. If you have other languages, you can add that. And then occupation is what you do currently. So for me, I'm a digital marketer. And then you select what 2 or 5 of these best skills you are actually good at. So I just selected, but you just check what you are good at. We're all gifted and something. Even if you don't have knowledge, you have Google Garage to learn all this information. So this is what we need to learn, constantly learn. Learning these days, it is free. And then you just verify your phone number. My email is already verified, so you just add your phone number and then select the country, and then once verified, you click finished. Basically, they'll send you an OTP, and then you just have to verify that, and then you click done, and then you can see other gigs. But now we have to continue, because guys, I need to tell you more. So now we're creating a gig. A gig is like what you are selling. So usually they start with I will. So you just specify, maybe if you want to write a book for someone, I will write a book for you. I'll create a cover page. I'll create a flyer, things like that, guys. So I went and try to get inspiration from what I have already gathered on ChatGPT. So I will select just 19 income stream by Angie. So I will just paste that. I will sell an ebook on 19 income streams, and then I did add the author as well. And then you specify the category. So guys, do remember that they do not want numbers. Yeah, if there's numbers, the profile won't continue. So tags is what will categorize your gig to see where they should put it. So let's just categorize your gig as well. So earn money online, affiliate marketing, YouTube, even more digital or business marketing. So I've selected business marketing up to 5. Make sure you use all your 5 so that Fiverr will be able to add. So now we're going to add prices, guys. So prices, there's usually different packages. So if you want to create one package basic, you can just select that. So 19 income streams, this is when I sell the book only. So that's my first package, and then I specify the price. If I say $5, I'll have to specify $5. And then the standard one, because I'm creating 3 different packages where I'll be giving even more books. So here, extra fast delivery, because I did say that I take 2 days to deliver, and I'll just specify more now, like 19 income plus 2 extra books. I do have those books. So basically, if you buy these books now, I'll be able to give you these books, and you can do the exact thing that I am doing now and sell, and then give it a price for all packages. And then I just say $5, $10, $20. And then my original gig, I think I said 20, 30, 40, and then the description. Remember ChatGPT, that description, this is where we're going to use it. You copy it, and then you just paste it here, and then you'll be able to give your description. And guys, remember to remove the codes. I didn't remove the codes. And then next, you just click, you go to frequently asked questions. You can just add whatever frequently asked questions that you want. So if, for example, people tend to ask, can we sell this book? And then you just type, can I sell this book? And then the answer will be yes, so that people do not need to ask you that. They can just get the answer. So now I'm saving and continuing. So the next step is you have to add pictures of these books. So remember, I'm selling 1 book in basic, and then 4 books in standard package, and then more books in the last package, which is expensive. So I went and got the screenshots of this book, and then now I am saving that because I need more pictures. I went and got the others because I'm not only selling 1 book, I am selling even more. So like this success ritual as well, this is something else that I am selling, and then I'll be able to get that as well. And then the next thing, I am going to close this one and upload these pictures. So I'm just going to browse and then go to where I saved these pictures and then select all three, guys, all three of these pictures. You can also add a video if you have a video. So I can create a video for this and people will buy. So now I'm selecting. So now it's something that I want you to note. Can you see that the first book is Success Rituals, and this one I want it to be 19 ways to end. So I deleted and added one by one to make sure I start with 19 ways and then end with the other one. So now we have added pictures. We save and continue. You can give more descriptions if you more description if you want. So now I am ready to publish my book, but you need to sign the W-9 form. So this is a form that says, are you going to pay tax in US, or if you're not living in US, you can just specify I do not live in US. But if you do live in US, you have to complete this form, and then that's that for tax purposes. So now I am done. My account is all set. The next thing that I'm going to do is to publish my gig. So when you publish your gig, you basically are copying your link and then you post it on social media, and then people, if they buy, all you do, you connect, you log into your account just like I'm logging in now. And then once you're in, you will see here, you'll get messages on the left, and then you just deliver what you have. So for me, this is dashboard on my seller, and then these are my two gigs. And then I just share gig. I can share it on Facebook. I can copy the link. This is you sharing now. So let's go to Facebook so I can show you how I share this. So basically, I'll just go and create a post, go to the account where I want to go, and then create a post, and then use the pictures of these books, and then people, if they buy, I make money, and you will get paid using PayPal. I think PayPal is the best one, but there are other ways. So I'm just getting the picture of this book, and then when people buy, I will make money from that as well. So let's just click paste, and then go to ChatGPT, get the title, and then you can also type on ChatGPT, give me a social media post, because this one is a description, is too much. People won't really like reading this whole information, but it's just to show you how you will paste and share this on social media. So now you just shared on social media, share on your WhatsApp status, share on different sites, Pinterest, Instagram, every other place you can think of. So now I just shared my gig. So can you see I'm online, and then I can share this gig. So if you want to switch between two accounts, so now I am a seller, I can switch to buyer. So if I want to buy something, so some of these things you can just buy from them and then sell again. So imagine buying these videos and then sell again. So this is something that you can do as well. So I think it's an easier way of making money by not creating any content, but just buying from the sellers and then you sell again on Fiverr. So this is how you basically make money. So as well, if you want maybe someone to write you a book, you just type write a book. If you have to switch from seller to buyer, and then this person charges $40 to write you a book, and guess what, they will use ChatGPT. I do have a video where I show you how to write a book using ChatGPT. So guys, you can also do that. And also you can invite people on Fiverr as an affiliate. You can go to a profile and then invite people, and then that way you can sell. So you can share this Fiverr and then make money from that. So these are the people as well who also have bought from me and they are selling. So if you want to get stats, you go to my business and then you click your gig and then you check the stats of how you are doing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've learned a lot, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did learn from this video, and guys, do not sleep on this opportunity. Remember, you buy once, you promote over and over again.